뭐해요? 뭐해요? What does this phrase mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is HAEYO. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word HAEYO. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 269. HAEYO. This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is he and the second syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. HAEYO. HAEYO. The Korean term HAEYO means do, which is the present tense action of doing. The word HAEYO came from the root verb hada, and the present tense form of hada is HAEYO. Now, how do we write HAEYO in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is he, and this is written by drawing first a HAEYO character followed by the e character. For the second syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder ing followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine these two to form the Hangul of the word HAEYO. Now let's try to look at this example English sentence or question. It says, what are you doing? Again, what are you doing? The Korean translation of this is 뭐해요? 뭐해요? Please take note that this is an informal way of asking, what are you doing? And 뭐해요 could be divided into two parts. The first part is 뭐, which means what. You might heard some Korean pronounce this as 뭐, and that's just the same thing. It's asking what. The second part of the sentence is 해요, which means do, or the present action of doing. So, when we say 뭐해요, it's the same as saying what do. But in English, it's more natural as asking what do you do, or what are you doing. So if you want to casually ask someone, what do you do in Korean, you can say 뭐해요. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know by now that the meaning of the expression 뭐해요 is simply what are you doing, or what do you do? And with that, you've just learned HAEYO. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 259 to 268. But don't forget our word for today, word number 269, HAEYO, which means do. The first word for our review is word number 268, 봐요, which means see. Next is word number 267, which is 먹어요, and it means eat. Next, word number 266 is 가요, which means go. Word number 265 is 여동생, which means younger sister. Word number 264 is 남동생, which means younger brother. Word number 263 is 맛없어요, which means not tasty or not delicious. Word number 262 is 맛있습니다, which means delicious, which is said in a formal manner. Word number 261 is 먹었어요, which means ate, or the past tense of eat. Word number 260 is 갔어요, which means went, or the past tense of go. And the last word for our review, word number 259, 날씨, which means weather. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 102. Hajima. Hajima. And this is pronounced as a 3-syllable word. The first syllable is ha, the second syllable is ji, the third syllable is ma. Pronounce it with me. Hajima. Hajima, hajima. Yes, the word hajima is part of the chorus of GOT7's song entitled Stop It or Hajima. And as mentioned, the word hajima means don't do it or stop it. And this is more of an imperative phrase or a command. Here is just a little bit of information about the origin of the word hajima. The word hajima is a combination of the word hada and chima. Hada means to do, and chima is a suffix that is used to negate an action. And for this case, the action or the verb that it negates is hada or to do. Therefore, hajima is the same as saying, don't do it. Now, how do we spell hajima in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the first syllable ha in Hangul, we need to draw first a HAEYO character followed by an a character. And then for the second syllable ji, we need to draw first a jiat character followed by an e character. And lastly, for the third syllable ma, we need to draw first a miyam character followed by an a character. And then, we just have to combine these 3 syllables to form the Hangul of the word hajima. And with that, you've just learned hajima. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 92 to 101. But don't forget our word for today, word number 102, hajima, which means don't do it or stop it. Word number 101 is tala. This is an adjective which means to be different. Word number 100 is sonja, and this is the Korean noun for grandchild. Word number 99 is atul, and this is the Korean noun for son. Word number 98 is pumo, and this is the Korean noun for parents. Word number 97 is tal, and this is the Korean noun for daughter. Word number 96 is ane, and this is the Korean noun for wife. Word number 95 is nampion, and this is the Korean noun for husband. Word number 94 is halmoni, and this is the Korean noun for grandma. Word number 93 is harabochi, and this is the Korean noun for grandpa. And the last for our review is word number 92, nugu, and this is used to ask who. Congrats! Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.